6. So today we're going to go over what does a firefighter look like, what they have to do before they can go in a burning house. So we've got Maggie today. She's going to demonstrate, and I will talk as she goes along. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right in, go through the gear. You already kind of know what it is. I'm going to show you what it looks like to get on. So she would get the fire alarm. She would come out, grab her pants, steps right into her boots. She's going to pull it up. She's going to grab it on. Now wait, all right. Where's Maggie? Still the same person. So she will be the one coming to look for you in the house. Do not hide from firefighters. We are there to find you, to look for you. If we can't see you, we don't know you're there. We're looking for you. So all the help you can do to make noise, come to us. It will help us out, and it will help save you. She's going with her coat now. So we've got the coat on now. We've got the hood on to protect her neck and the rest of her head. So she's going to get it zipped up. Still the same person in there. Nice Maggie coming to save you, okay? She'll get the kids, the dogs, the cats, whatever we need to. Maggie's coming to save you all. So now she's going to go with her mask. We take our own air when we go into the fire. So we have the mask. She's going to tighten it up and get it good and sealed. Pull the hood back over there. Make sure all her hair and everything is inside. That keeps all that protected. She's going to get her helmet next. Still Maggie, still the same person in there coming to look for you. I know she looks totally different. With all the gear, we're going for the air pack now. So with all the gear that we have on, it weighs roughly 75 pounds extra that we're putting on. Just going to get all hooked up and strapped in. And these packs are also designed that I'll show you in a minute. There's a spot on the back. If she goes down and we're in there looking for her, the pack itself actually works as a harness so that we can grab a handle on the back and drag her out. Her actual coat has the same thing that's built in it. So if there's ever a downed firefighter, you can simply grab the handle. It's a good point that you can drag to get them out of the house. So here she is. She's got the air pack. She'll turn around. She's got the air, so we're going to cut the air on. So you hear a couple noises. So she's got air. You got to have it all on, a couple beeps. And then she'll turn back around. Now, quick thing on this side, if she needs help, this is where she can get extra air from somebody else or help someone. The mask, she'll click in on that. So there you have it. Maggie, she's ready to go into a burning house, looking for you, save you, put the fire out. So kids, what I want to show is she looks totally different than what she did before, but it's still just Maggie. So she's still coming in, same person, nice, friendly. We're good to go. Now, the handle that we were talking about, if she turns around, there's one here on the air pack. There's another one on the coat. You just pull a latch up. You grab it and pull that, and you can bring her out. Now, that's going to be it for... Good deal. Thank you, Maggie. Give everybody a thank you, Maggie. Now, guys, we're going to simulate what happens if a firefighter is down in a house. If she is not able to set off a pass alarm, the pack itself will do it after a certain period of time. And she was able, so she just set hers off. She is calling for help. Have the lights in the front that are flashing. We're going to do a walk around. You have lights in the back of the pack that are flashing. We're going to make it all the way back around and ask her if she's okay. So now we're going to come right down here and say, we just saved Maggie.